Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I'm Dennis, co-founder of MediaConsole, and today we're going to take a quick look at the MediaConsole and some of its features. Now, MediaConsole is a tool specifically built for companies and link building agencies who do link building on a large scale. Now, if you're buying links from multiple link brokers, you oftentimes need to use their different platforms. Maybe they're offering their links through an Excel sheet. So it's a bunch of different things you need to go through to place orders. Now, with MediaConsole, you actually invite all your link brokers into your personal market and place orders directly with publishers through your personal market. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the MediaConsole. So all your publishers can be found inside of the tool. So it's as simple as you're inviting your publishers, you approve their account, and now they can import their database into your market. So let's open up the market. And here you can find offers of all your link brokers in one place. And it's very useful because you can now filter out actually all the most expensive offers of a duplicated media, because oftentimes it is that multiple brokers are offering the same website for different conditions. So by using the market, you can simply just focus on the lowest price, and this way you can budget much better for your link building campaigns. Now, a couple of cool features: you can hook up your API keys, Moz, Majestic, and Ahrefs, and this way you can update metrics, making sure that all your metrics are up to date. Additionally, you can use a lot of different filters to kind of find what you need straight from your personal market. Now, let's place an order with this publisher here. Placing an order is pretty much as simple as using any other online market. So with this publisher, I can see I can upgrade this link for a permanent post, which is nice. Now we're moving straight to the checkout. I can add my content requirements right away for this publisher because I can see that he's offering content writing, or I can do that later as well. Now, every order will link in with a brand or a client, depending on whether you're a company or an agency that do link building. Now, let's say I want to link it with this brand right here. The order is placed and it goes directly to the publisher. So the publisher at this point received a notification. Now, once the order is placed, you can find all your orders under the order items page. And let's open one up. So at this point, this is a sandbox. So this is basically a deal, and you can see who is having access to this particular deal. So your team members, including your publisher. Now, you can have different statuses. You can change this under the settings as well. So here you can add the content requirements as well. Or you can, if you're writing the content yourself, you can just upload a document. Now, you can invite your content team also to selected deals, and there is multiple ways how you can do that. So if you don't want publisher to provide the content writing, your content team can do that, and then you guys can collaborate in this space as well for each deal individually. Now, you can also leave a note for a publisher, for a team member, so that you don't need to use any other external tools besides the MediaConsole. So for the sake of this experiment, let's just add a random live link over here. Let's approve the publication. And once the publication is approved, it's time to pay for it. So now we're heading straight to invoices, and invoices is an absolute must-have tool for your finance team. Now, as we know, when you're working with different service providers, or as we call them, publishers, you're often receiving invoices in different currencies and in completely random times, and then you need to go ahead and check whether the invoice is correct and they're invoicing you for live links or for the job they've done. You need to go and cross-check that, and if you have multiple providers, you're building hundreds of links monthly, it's a chaos. Now, for your finance team, the only thing they need to focus on is just to see how many links are actually approved between you and the publisher. So I can see that with this publisher, I have one link approved. All I need to go is just open it up. Now, for your finance team, there's a bunch of settings here, how you can customize the invoices, adding tags, hiding some elements from the invoices. Everything is fully customizable. But right now we're going to focus on actually paying for the link. So I can see that one publication is approved with a click of a button. So it can be one or it can be hundreds, doesn't matter. Now, with the click of a button, I can see that we're going to be paying in a different currency as well, which is important. Just click save. And at this point on, I'm triggering an invoice generation from publisher to myself, meaning that I have full control when I actually want to pay for the link. So now I go ahead and do the payment. And once the invoice is marked as paid, the deal is completed. So basically, in a nutshell, that's pretty much what the tool is. Now you invite your link brokers, you place orders, you collaborate on the order, and you pay for the order. It's as simple as that. Now it's a much more functional tool. You can set up different custom roles and different permissions. You can add as many currencies as you want, billing entities, and etc. This is something we're going to cover in the other video, but right now I want to show you a couple of other cool things we have integrated into the MediaConsole. Now, we all know how important it is to actually monitor the performance of your links and whether they're still linking, they do follow, your anchor matches, URL match, or if it's sponsored or not. So we have a link audit integrated straight into the tool. So just with the click of a button, you can actually run an audit, and the audit will check all these parameters, and then you'll get those straight from the tool without using any external tools. Now, another thing I was just going to show you is something really cool, that you can organize your brands or your clients under the franchises. And for example, let's open up this brand here. You can import the history of this entire brand, everything you've built in the past, straight into it, so that it will be added to your general dashboard, meaning that all links of your clients or your brands are going to be staying inside of one tool. And this way, everything is going to be added into the analytics. So once everything is added to analytics, it's very easy for you to track the performance of your target URL or your anchor text, how much you're spending, which gives you like a full overview of your entire link building operation. Yeah, in a nutshell, I think that's about it. And one last thing I'd like to mention, that it's very easy to get started with the MediaConsole. Just book a demo with one of our support managers, and they'll help you set everything up. It's completely free to get started, and you can start using the tool and see how it optimizes your entire link building operations. Yeah, and I think this covers the video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.